Akshaj, Akshaj, can you able to hear me? Okay, chalo. We can start this. So write down next question. Write down the question. How many sides does regular polygon have? How many does regular polygon? How many sides does regular polygon have? Comma. If each of its interior angle is 108. I will repeat. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 108? Okay. So here interior angles are given and they are asking here how many sides are there. Okay. So we know this formula, number of sides is equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle. Okay, but so this is what the formula we have in textbook. Number of sides is equal to 360 upon exterior angle. But here thing is that they gave a interior angle. Okay, they gave interior angle and this interior angle is given 108. Okay, so you have to calculate the exterior angle. Okay, suppose any polygon if you take and they are saying here interior angle is 108 and this is what the polygon we have, then interior angle we can find out by taking this entire angle is a straight line angle. Okay, so we can calculate here exterior angle. We can calculate here exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 108. Okay, so 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, and this is nothing but what here? 7. That is 72. Okay, getting up to here. So exterior angle is nothing but how much here? 72. Understood up to here? But that is not my aim. They are asking us to find out number of sides we have to calculate. Okay, which regular polygon is there. So here we can use this formula, number of sides equal to 360 and exterior angle is given 72. Okay, now find out this. Check, can you divide this? Set 360 divided by 72. Okay, find out. Find out this. So 390 divided by 72. So it comes approximately means answer is comes in decimal. Okay. So that is 5.4211. So you can take here approximately as a 5. So whenever you will get a decimal, you can go for approximation. And here number of sides are 5. That means it is a pentagon. Okay. So this is 2-mark question. Copy it properly. Okay, everyone copied. Now next one, write down. Write down. Find the number of diagonals. Find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Find the number of diagonals of the polygon. Find the diagonals of a polygon with 9 sides. With 9 sides. Write the name of the polygon. Write the name of the polygon. Find the number of, I'll repeat this. Find the number of diagonals of the polygon with 9 sides and write the name of the polygon. Okay. So calculate how to find out the diagonal. What is the formula we have to find out the diagonal? Number of diagonals are nothing but what? We have one formula. Write down that formula. Okay, this kind of questions are very important. Many times they will ask as a MCQ or they will ask for 2-mark questions. Okay, so here number of diagonals is equal to n minus 3 divided by 2. This is the formula. And here they are saying the polygon is having 9 sides. Okay, so n is equal to 9. So 9 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 9 into 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. 6 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 18. Sorry, 27. Okay, so number of diagonals are what? 27. And 9 sides are there. That means that polygon is diagonal. Okay. So writing diagonal you will get 1 mark and calculating diagonal you will get 1 mark. Okay. For correct formula they will give you half mark. Okay. So how to find out number of diagonals? Number of diagonals is equal to n minus 3 by 2. Understood? Copy up to here. Akshaj, are you there? Akshaj? Okay. Chalo. Write down. I hope you copied. Can I erase this? Yes, Akshaj, write down. If ABCD is a trapezium, if ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, comma, angle DAB is equal to 62 degrees and angle ABC is equal to 86 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 86 degrees. Find the measures of angle ADC and angle BCD. Okay, so diagram is also given that I will draw and I give 2 minutes to find out the answer. Okay, and I want the answer from you. You have to type the answers with proper reasons. Okay, if there is no reason, then I will not accept that answers. Okay, this is what the trapezium. This is ABCD and DC is parallel to AB. Angle DAB is given given 60 and angle ABC is given 86, and they are asking here ADC and BCD. These two angles they are asking. Okay, find out these two angles and just let me know. Type the answer over there. I will give you 2 minutes. Think it properly and calculate. Yes, Akshar, you got the answer. Akshar, you got the answer. I am waiting for your answer. This is what trapezium. Trapezium ABCD and DC is parallel to AB. Then if I draw this diagram, see here, this is nothing but AB and this is nothing but DC. These both are parallel. That means their co-interior angle sum should be 180. No, this is 86 and this is x. Then we can write here 86 plus or you can write angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because co-interior angle. See, whenever the questions will come for 2 and 3 marks, then you must have to go for the proper reasoning and all. Okay, so angle B is 86, angle C I have to find out, equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 86. Okay, so 180 minus 86 is nothing but 4, and 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. Okay, 94. So angle C I am getting here as a 94. Then after that, again angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 because they are also co-interior angles. So angle A is 62, angle D I have to find out, this is 180, and angle D is equal to 180 minus 62. So 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8, 7 minus 6 is 1, and here this is 118. So here angle D is nothing but 118 degrees. Okay, and angle C is 94 degrees. Understood up to here? So this is 3-mark question. Copy this. Copy it properly. Okay. Okay, everyone copy this. Copy this fast. Okay, next question. In a parallelogram ABCD, write down. In parallelogram ABCD, angle A equal to 3x minus 10 degrees. 3x minus 10 degrees, and angle B is equal to 5x. Angle B is equal to 5x plus 30 degrees. 5x plus 30 degrees. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, so this is what the figure A, B, C and D, and here angle value of A is given, that is 3x minus I think 10 degrees. 3x minus 10 degrees, and angle B is also given 5x plus 30 degrees. 5x plus 30 degrees. Can you getting up to here? Okay. Now they are asking us to find out angle D and angle A. Okay. So how to find out this? How to find out the angles? Again, their co-interior sum are again 180, no? Because this is the parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. So if this is 3x minus 10, then this opposite angle also 3x minus 10 degrees. Okay. And this is 5x plus 30, and this is also 5x plus 30 degrees. Getting this? So this is nothing but what? Parallelogram, and in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Okay, so if I do like this, then after that I know that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, that is co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. So angle B is nothing but 5x plus 30 and this is nothing but 3x minus 10 is equal to 180. Okay. So 5x plus 3x is nothing but 8x and 30 minus 10 is nothing but plus 20 is equal to 180. So 8x is equal to, we will get 180 minus 20, that is equal to 160. So 8x is equal to 160. Therefore x is equal to, we can write 160 divided by 8. So it is nothing but 20 degrees. X I am getting 20 degrees. But see, they are asking us to find out the angles, no? Okay. So here I can write angle A is equal to angle C. They both are same, no? Opposite angles. And I got the value for x is 20 and both the values are nothing but 3x minus 10. So 3 into 20 minus 10, and we know that 20 into 3 is nothing but 60 and 60 minus 10 is nothing but 50. So angle A and angle C, I got it as a 50 degrees, and again we can say that angle B is equal to angle D. They are also equal because of the opposite angles. Okay, you can write the statements opposite angles of parallelogram. And here we have B and D are nothing but 5x plus 30, that is equal to 5 into 20 plus 30, that is equal to 100 plus 30, that is equal to 130 degrees. Khalas. Getting? And if you take a co-interior angle sum, this is I got 130 and this is I got 50. So 130 plus 50 is 180. That means whatever the answer we got, that is correct, because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel and their co-interior sum should be 180. So we got here and verified also. Okay. So getting how to do these questions. Okay, copied this. Okay, everyone copied this. Write down next question. Adjacent angles of the parallelogram. Write down adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in the ratio 2:7. Adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in the ratio 2:7. Adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in the ratio 2:7. Find the values of all the angles. Find the values of all angles. I will repeat. Adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in the ratio of 2:7. Find the values of all the angles. Okay. Can you find out adjacent angles of the parallelogram are also 180 degrees, no? The ratio is given 2:7. Okay, calculating Akshas. We have a parallelogram and their adjacent angles are 2:7. I will take this as a parallelogram only. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Adjacent angles are this. Okay. So these are the adjacent angles, and they are in 2:7 ratio. So 2:7 means this is not an exact value, the ratio. So 2x by 7x. Okay. Then we can write 2x plus 7x is equal to 180. That is equal to 9x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 9. So this is also comes 20. So one angle is 2x, that is 2 into 20 is equal to 40, and another is 7x. 7x into 20 is nothing but 140. Okay, so these are the angle values. Very simple concept. You need a practice. Copy everyone. Copy this. Now next, measure one of measure of one angle. Measure of one angle of a parallelogram is 112 degrees. Is 112 degrees. Find the other three angles. Find the other three angles. Find other three angles. I'll repeat. Measure of one angle of parallelogram is 112 degrees. Find the other three angles. Okay. So here the parallelogram is given, and it's very easy. Whenever it is parallelogram, then of course opposite angles are same. And once you get opposite, then by using co-interior angle some properties, we can find out other angles. So here one of the angle is 112. Okay. Then we have to calculate B, C and D. So here I can write first one, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle B, because they are opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles of what? Parallelogram. So if angle A is 112, then obviously angle C is also 112. See, it's very easy to calculate first angle. Okay, then I got C as a 112 degrees. Now you know that here angle C plus angle B are 180 degree, because co-interior angles. Already I got C as a 112. Angle B I have to find out, and this is 180. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 112. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is 0. So angle B I am getting it as a 68 degrees. So this is 68 degrees, and here just now I wrote 68 because they are opposite angles. So we can write this also 68. So angle D is also how much? 68 because of opposite angles. That's it. Okay, getting this? This is very simple, easy numericals. These all questions are concept based. If you are able to clear all the basics, then it's very easy. Can you getting this? Akshash, can you able to understand? Okay, everyone copied this. Then write down the next question. Find the unknown value of y. Find the unknown value of y. Find the unknown value of y. Okay, and the diagram is given. The diagram is given. Okay, so this is the diagram given, and they are asking us to find out the value for y. Okay, then it is also easy, no? We can use here exterior angle sum property, and that is 360 for any polygon. So this sign indicates that this is 90, this is also 90 degrees, this is 110, no? So this forms what? The straight line angle. So this is 110, then only interior angle will become 70. Okay, this will become how much? 70. And if it is 70, then interior angle sum is nothing but 360 because 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. Correct? So here if we take if you extend here, this is also 90, already extended, this is also 90, this is 110, and y is the exterior angle. If we take all the exterior angle, then we can write here, this is 90 plus this exterior angle is 90, this exterior angle is y, this exterior angle is 110, and this sum is equal to 360. Suppose if you are not able to understand this, then what you can do? You calculate this interior angle. Okay, 90, 90 plus 70, 180, 150. Okay, sorry, 250, and this third angle, fourth angle we will get by taking quadrilateral sum is 360. Okay, so 360 minus you can subtract 250, then you get interior angle, and that interior angle and y are in linear pair. That method is also correct, but here luckily it is 90, this is also exterior is also 90. So if this is 90, then exterior is also 90. Already this exterior angle is given 110, and this is y. So we have on the second page of this chapter exterior angle sum property. You can take any polygon. If you are taking pentagon, triangle, quadrilateral, then hexagon, heptagon, neogon, decagon, their all exterior angle sum is equal to how much? 360. So you can calculate exterior angle and find out the answer. So here y is equal to, so 90, 90, 180 plus 110, that is 0, 9 and 2, 290. So 360 minus 290. So here 360 minus 290 is nothing but how much? 16 minus 9, that is 7, and 0, that is 70. Okay, so y you will get how much? 70 degrees. Understood this? So like this we have to solve the questions. So maybe you can use that interior angle sum property and then find out exterior angle by taking linear pair. That is also okay. This is also okay. Now, copied everyone? Finished? Write down. If the angles of the quadrilateral, are x degrees, comma x minus 10 degrees, comma x plus 30 degrees, and 2x degrees, find the measure of all the angles. Find the measure of all the angles. Find the measure of all the angles. I'll repeat. If the angles of the quadrilateral are x degrees, x minus 10 degrees, x plus 30 degrees, and 2x, find the measure of all angles. So here any quadrilateral they gave, and they are saying the angle values are in terms of variable, that is x, x minus 10, x plus 30, and 2x. Okay, we know that any quadrilateral, if we take that angle sum is 360, so you can take angle x, x minus 10 plus x plus 30 plus 2x is equal to 360. So writing this statement gives half mark. Okay, so x, 2x, 3x, 3 plus 2 is 5x. Okay, so here 5x. Now minus 10 plus 30 is plus 20 is equal to 360. So 5x is equal to 360 minus 20, that is nothing but 340. Okay, so x is equal to 340 by 5. So 5 5s are 35, 5 6 are 30. Okay, 4 will there, that is 8. So x is equal to how much? 68. So this angle you will get 68. Double of 68, 6. 68. So 136. Okay. Now 68 plus 30 is 98. Okay. And 68 minus 10 is nothing but 58 degrees. Okay. So these are what the angles we have to calculate. This kind of questions also come for a 3 marks. Okay, copy this. हो गया? Okay, write down the next question. in a parallelogram, PQRS, in a parallelogram PQRS, find the value of x, y, z. Find the value of x, y, z. I'll repeat. In a parallelogram PQRS, find the value of x, y, and z. Okay, and diagram is given. I'll draw the diagram. And join the diagonals. This is 20. This is 2z. This is 2y minus 1. 17. This is 15. And this is x plus 5. And this is O. Okay. This is what the diagram we have. And they are asking us to find out. This is x, y, and z. All these three parameters we have to calculate. Okay. So whenever we are solving any questions related to parallelogram, you must know the properties of the parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then opposite angles are equal and their co-interior angle sum is 180. And diagonals are what? Bisecting with each other. Okay. So here we know that it is a parallelogram. Write with proper reason. PQ is parallel to SR. That means PQ is equal to SR. Okay. Means the value of PQ should be equal to the SR. So PQ is nothing but 2Z and SR is nothing but how much? 20. So 2 is multiplied to Z, no? So transpose that 2 to that side, that is 20 by 2, that is nothing but 10. Getting? So here I got the value for Z and this Z is equal to how much? I got 10. Can you getting this? Z is nothing but here 10. Now we have to find out x and y. As I told you, the diagonals are bisecting. I will write here diagonals are bisecting with each other. Then we can write here PO is equal to OR. So PO is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 17. So 2y, 17 minus 1 if you transpose, that is plus 1. So 2y is equal to 18, then y is equal to 9. Because 2 is multiplied and if we transpose to LHS, then it is what? Get divided, that is nothing but 18 by 2 is nothing but 9 because 9 2s are 18. So y is nothing but how much? Here 9. Similarly, once we got, then we can go for x. So we can write here SO is equal to OQ. So SO is 15 and this is x plus 5. So x is equal to 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10 centimeter or 10 units. So x I got here 10 because 5 is added to RHS. When you transpose to LHS, it will become it is what gets subtracted. So 15 minus 5 is 10 centimeter. Okay, or 10 units. Getting these questions? Still you people have any doubts? If you have, then you can type a message. Okay, write down. Everyone copied this? Akshay copied. How is your health now? How are you? Okay, chalo write down next question. KLMN is a rectangle, full stop. Find the value of x. Find the value of x and also find the length of the diagonal, and also find the length of the diagonal. I'll repeat. KLMN is a rectangle, full stop. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Also find the length of the diagonal, and also find the length of the diagonal. So it is, they are saying rectangle. In rectangle, diagonals are same. Okay, diagonals are what? Same. So here the diagram is given. The diagram is given like this. This is the rectangle, and this is K, L, M and N. These are the two diagonals. 3x minus 12, and this is 13 minus 2x, and they are saying this is rectangle. In rectangle, diagonals are same. So we can write here Km is equal to Nl. Diagonals are equal. So give the reason. So here 3x minus 12 is equal to 13 minus 2x. Okay. So this is 3x. Bring this 2x over here. This will become 2x. 13. This minus 12, when you transpose to RHS, it will become plus 12. 3 plus 2, 5x. 13 plus 12 is nothing but 25. Then x is nothing but what? 25 by 5 is nothing but what? 5. The value of x is 5. But they are asking the diagonal length, means length of Km. Okay, length of Km is nothing but 3x minus 12. So here 3 into 5 minus 12. So 3 5s are 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 units. Okay, and then ln is equal to 13 minus 2x. So 13 minus 2 into 5. So 13 minus 10 is equal to 3 units. Getting? So anyhow the diagonal values are what here? Same. Mk or Km is also 3 units. Ln is also I am getting 3 units. So these all 3 mark questions, very very important. Okay, I hope you all are getting this. Copy this. Arya. Arya, you can sit on that chair. Okay, copied everyone? Okay, so I will give next question. Write down next. Find angle value of okay, find the value of angle DEF and also prove that DEFG is a trapezium. DEFG is a trapezium. Okay, so one more time I will repeat. Find the value of angle DEF and also prove that DEFG is a trapezium. Okay, so here the diagram is given. So this is DEFG, D, E, F and G. Okay, so this is what the diagram, and the angle values are given 73, this is 107, this is 87 and this is X. Okay, so here I want to find out the angle value of DEF. Okay, so it's DEF I want to calculate. So how to calculate? You can use a quadrilateral sum property, no? Okay, so that is nothing but 107 plus 73 plus 87 plus X is equal to 0. Oh, sorry, equal to 180 degree. Oh, sorry, not 180. Sorry, it's 360 degrees. Okay, quadrilateral angle sum property. Okay, so here 107 plus 73. Okay, 107 plus 73, 10. Here 180. 180 plus 87. So 267 plus X is equal to 360. So X is equal to 360 minus 67. So 360 minus 267 minus 267. 10 minus 7 is a 3. Then here it's 5. That is 15 minus 6. Is nothing but 9 and here 0, that is 93. X I got 93. Okay, so once you get X, that is not required. They are asking to show that this is nothing but a trapezium, and in this trapezium you know that any one side or any one pair is what parallel with each other. Okay, so if I take angle D plus angle G value, that should come 180. That means their co-interior angle sum is 180. Then only we can say that they are this is a trapezium. Okay, 107 plus 73 is nothing but how much? 180 degree. And if you show that angle E plus angle F is also checked, 93 plus 87, that is nothing but 180. So that means what here? In both the cases, G and D sum is 180 and F and E is also 180. That means here GF is parallel to DE, and in trapezium we know that any one of the pair is parallel. Okay, so we can say that DEFG parallelogram. Sorry, trapezium is a trapezium. Understood? Akshars, can you getting? Okay, everyone copied up to here. Now next line, write down. I hope everyone copied this question. Now write down next one. In a parallelogram A, B, C, D, in a parallelogram A, B, C, D, find the value of x, y and z. Find the value of x, y and z. I'll repeat. In a parallelogram A, B, C, D, find the value of x, y and z. Okay. So I will draw the diagram here. I will check all this question in the next class that you have wrote it properly or not. Okay, and according to that I will inform to your parents. So this is nothing but what? ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so this is A, B, C and D. This is 2y minus 2. This is 18. This is 3x minus 1. And this is 11. So this is what the diagram, and they are asking here to find out the values for x, y and z. Okay. Is it z is there? Yeah, only x, y, not z is not there here. Okay, this is the parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. That means we know that AB is parallel to DC, and we can write AB is equal to DC, and AD is parallel to BC. That means AD is equal to BC. Okay. So AB is nothing but how much? 2y minus 2, and DC is nothing but 18. So 2y is equal to 18 plus 2, that is equal to 22y. So y is equal to 20 by 2 is nothing but 10. Okay. Here AD we have 3x minus 1 and this is 11. So okay, I will end this session. We'll see you in the next session.